Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
The Miracle Garden was formally inaugurated on the Valentine's Day of 2013, and since then it has been attracting a huge number of visitors and tourists who are startled by its beauty. It is vast and is spread across an area of 72,000 square meters. Hence it is recognized as the largest garden in the world. It is a recreational destination which comprises of unique and extravagant attractions. Unlike a common garden that is usually equipped with some flowers and lawns, the Miracle Garden is flourished with over 150 million flowers that are placed in colorful arches and patterns. The flowers are simply the building blocks that are arranged and presented in the most innovative and creative themes. The sitting arrangements and cafeterias provides a complete package of comfort and beauty for the nature lovers. Each year the Dubai Miracle Garden releases a new set of innovative theme and sculptures. The above mentioned are some of them which have been launched up till